This video shout out goes to ladybug-𝐾𝐨𝐫06, AG Stardust, and Cupcakes Candy AG Dolls _ Studios for commenting. Whoa! I just itched my eye in my last post.
Look into his eyes. Now tell me how you feel inside.
Ah yes, just look at this lovely, thick, deep snow. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I'm on my porch in 28-degree weather because I got tired of everywhere else I was filming, so I'm just on my porch, because why not? Guys, today, welcome to my last last video of 2020. So for my last video, I wanted to do something kind of special. So I put together a bunch of saved clips that I had on my camera from 2020 that were like just random. Like all the clips that you're about to see are just completely random. You've never seen them before. Like they're just random clips I decided to film on my camera throughout the year, and
yeah, I really don't know how to put this, how to phrase it for you to understand.
Do you understand? You should understand. Okay, let's just hop into the video. I just pulled skin off my lip and now it really hurts. Okay, so our first never before seen clip was actually taken on January 1st, 2020. It's with me looking like an egg and my cousin Rebecca, so here it is.
Hi everyone, we're here with Naomi.
I film all my YouTube
and Rebecca. Wait, where do you look? Oh, hi. Give us a mustache. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty.
Now that I think about it, it was a New Year's party. We had a party. Wow, I miss those days. Okay, so this next clip is the chickens. We had 4, but you know, 2 died. If you want to watch the whole chicken story, find it on my channel. But yeah, okay, so this clip coming up is with Lacey and Leia when Lacey was still around. She was just playing in the garden, so here's that clip.
So we look out the window and we see chicken in the garden. Yeah, she's having a good old time. Oh, there's Leia. Yeet. She's just being a yeet chicken. Hi, yeet. She looks uneasy. She looks like she wants something from me. What are you wanting from me? Leia, what are you doing?
Hello, Lacey. You're so cute. Lacey. What's up, girlie? You're so cute. Hello. Okay.
Chicken nuggets.
Lacey. Oh, you look so happy in you. What are you doing? I'm gonna give you a treat. Leia, do you have a egg? Do you have egg? Hands are getting cold. Ah, there you go. Munchy, munchy.
Okay, here's a little backstory to what you're about to see. So one day I decided we should buy chicken harnesses for our pet chickens because why not? Anyway, so we bought this chicken harness online, and that's kind of what this little clip is about. Let's open this up. Here it is.
That's Lacey, and then that is Leia. Leia's over there crying her eyeballs out. Thanks.
I know. Come on.
Yeah, she is. No!
Yeah. Okay, now.
And now, Frederick being iconic for 4.6 seconds.
Beautiful.
Yeet! That was Frederick being iconic for 4.6 seconds. Okay, so I was trying to make this redhead wig for my AG, and so I bought orange yarn, and then I was trying to glue it onto this horrible circle I molded around the head. It's just talk about a bad hair day, am I right?
It's nice out there.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a little chicken coop like toy. So I'm just like crushing the bottle and then cutting some slits in it. So you can't see very well now, but I have quite a lot of slits cut in here. Since this bottle does have holes in it, I just wrapped it in some plastic wrap so the seed won't come out immediately. Keep your lid in handy-ish, and we're gonna put some seed in it. So yes. Okay, so I just filled this up like way more with their chicken food. Because why not? So here's the sunflower seeds and here's the chicken food. I'm gonna put the lid on. Oh my gosh, guys, I put it in. They love it. They finally figured it out. They're kicking it all about. Look, guys, look, kicking around again. There you go, Lacey. She was like kicking it too. Oh my gosh. I know, Lacey. Okay, so the clip that you just saw was actually just me making a little chicken toy for my chickens. Now this clip was actually the very last footage I got of Lacey before she passed away on the 30th of September. So this is a very special clip that you just watched, so yeah. Okay, so this clip that you're about to see is actually the song cover that I filmed that I actually forgot I filmed, but I never posted it. It's Almost Is Never Enough by Ariana Grande, so enjoy that little cover. Also, by the way, I shortened it because I didn't want it to like take over this whole video, so I made it like 1 minute instead of like 3 minutes, so you might notice a little editing in there. I like to say we gave it a try. I'd like to blame it all on life. Maybe we just weren't right. Oh, but that's a lie, that's a lie. And we can't deny it as much as we want. But in time, our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. Oh, almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be 2 worlds apart, but right here in each other's arms. And we almost knew what love was. But almost is never enough. Okay, so this next clip is me actually filming in my school. Yes, I could go to school for a little bit there. We did have to wear masks, but yeah, here's a clip of me filming in school. Autumn. Autumn. What is shirking? It's shirking. Shirking. Yeah. It's feral. Alright, so now what you're about to see is me trying to learn piano because I was bored one day, so I decided just one day I'm gonna learn how to play piano. So I watched this YouTube video and stuff, and I kind of know how to play piano now. So anyway, now we're gonna switch to that scene. Guys, it's November 23rd, 2020, and this is day 1 of me trying to learn how to play piano. So here I am watching this YouTube video on how to play piano because I have absolutely no clue. I know nothing about music whatsoever, like nothing. So this is how to take some first steps, okay? Yes. Okay, so I didn't get to finish the YouTube video. I only got like 6 minutes through, but I learned that if you go to one of these 3 sets, because it goes 3, 2, if you go to the right, it's an A, this is an A sharp, and this is an A flat. I also learned that you can add a lot of stuff, but like it goes, start here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it repeats A, B, C, D. I don't even know what the scene is that you're about to see, but it's me cooking because I was kind of proud of what I made, so I just decided to film it. Yeah, here it is. Enjoy. Okay, so I'm cooking. I am making pasta Alfredo with peas. It's really good with peas. I have the pasta boiling. Okay, I have the cookbook open. I have the butter. I have my sage, even though it's not fresh sage. I have the strainer for the pasta. I have the milk. I have my half and half and my peas in here. Yeah. The pasta is almost done. I've been trying a little bit, like the noodles, but it's just a few more minutes, like 2 more minutes, and then they'll be al dente, as the book says. Boys, I did it. I got the pasta out. I might want more pasta than that, but you know, it's fine. Okay, so I'm making a little sauce right now. I need to add the sage leaves. I'm gonna put just this one in, and then that'll be enough, I think. And then we'll just kind of mix it up. I don't want the sage leaves to break, so. Oh my gosh, guys, so it's thickening up, and it's starting to smell like the sauce when my mom makes it, so that's good. Okay, this next clip that you're about to see is actually Christmas Eve morning, and by the way, I'm not trying to brag at like what I got or at all. I just thought I'd show you. I'm not trying to brag, I promise. It's Christmas morning. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wow, okay. I want to spit. Yes. I'm so excited. My family's up right now. It's like 7 a.m. So yes, and I'm sorry. I look like a toad. I literally just woke up, so I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, guys, so we just opened some presents. Not all my presents have been opened because we're gonna save some for Christmas Day, but I got Baby Yoda. Oh my gosh, Grogu, my sweet child. Oh my gosh, okay. Alright, we're gonna move on because I'm already did enough by him. I also got Addie, the American Girl. I did open her up already, but I just put her back in the box because, yeah. And I also got this Create this book too. I love 𝕚 Elizabeth, she's my queen, okay? I got this cute AG trench coat. And also I got some more AG stuff, so don't worry. I'll probably film that tomorrow. I got this nice flannel shirt. I got these 3 polo shirts from my brother for, you'll see. I got this Lego set, which was a surprise. Super cute little purse, because I've been needing one for winter. And then 2 khaki uniform skirts. So that's all I got today. We built the Baby Yoda. Yes. So Addie is actually my first brand new AG, the one I've never gotten an AG box before, and I've never taken off a hairnet, so we're gonna take it off right now. She's so pretty, I'm quaking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is pretty magical, and it's off, my dudes. So apparently some of my stuff in the pants ordered from me online hasn't come yet, so I'll just get it after Christmas. But I finished the Mandalorian Lego and then the Baby Yoda Lego. My sister helped me. I also got this. It's supposed to be an ornament, but it's a perfect size for AG, so I'm just not gonna put it on the tree. Also, I got this as an ornament, but I just kind of don't want to put it on the tree. I got another ornament. It's like an elf. So yeah, I got these 2 giftings, and as my gifts for Christmas. But I'll get some extra AG clothing in the mail later, hopefully. Okay, so this is the day after Christmas, and I got some Christmas money from my aunt, so I decided to go to Walmart and get the My Life as Kitchen playset, which I'm really happy that I got that because I really like it. It's super awesome. I got this with my Christmas money. It's the My Life as Kitchen. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah. Okay, so everything I'm gonna show you what I got. So inside of it comes with pancake, eggs, spaghetti, 2 bananas, corn, olive oil, salt, pepper shaker, these plastic cardboard things, pasta, rainbow fruit loops, milk, eggs, orange juice, 2 water bottles, bunch of fruit and vegetables, a turkey or a chicken, a pizza box, and here's the instructor. There's this cute little tomato sauce and tuna in here. And we also have this little sink thing that can come out. This sink moves around, which is cute, and so there's a little lever. We bought the dishwasher opens, get these out. These drawers do not open. This side shelf is cute. You can put stuff there. The oven's really neat because you can open it up and there's pizza in it goes in the box. This is out that way. You can do these knobs right here, and also these work right here, which is cool, and it's very kind of see. And then we got this seasoning on. We have these clean utensils mixed with. Also, this cabinet opens up, and I put the dishes in there that comes with it. And then the microwave opens. The fridge is cool because you can press this button and it sounds like ice. The fridge opens, by the way. The oven's not that, but I still feel it. And the fridge on the bottom, so yes. Okay, so this might sound a little weird, but we decided to make gingerbread houses the day after Christmas because, you know, we just didn't have time to fit it in before, so we just did it after. So here's that. We are making gingerbread homies. Yes. My tree is burnt. His tree fell over. Yep. Yes. They're very thick, but you know.
Oh, do we have
Yes.
Color.
Which is your favorite?
Oh yes.
I was 1, 2, 3, 4.
See the back.
Sorry, some weird commercials playing. These are the backs. By the way, please let me know which gingerbread house is your favorite. I really want to know because hopefully you pick mine. I mean, you probably won't. You probably will pick my sister's because it's obviously the best, but yeah. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and let me know which clip was your favorite out of all these clips. Yeah, so anyways, if you made it this far and you watched all the way through, please comment down below the hidden message that I hid somewhere inside of this video. Sorry, I lost my breath there for a second. Anyway, yeah, so go ahead and do that. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And I can't pronounce words because I'm really cold right now. Was I supposed to say something else? Oh yeah, Happy New Year's Eve and cheers to 2021. Hopefully it's a better year. Anyways, yeah, okay, bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.